Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie if you are new, and I am sitting in my little boy's nursery. It's finally finished. He's almost a year old, but better late than never. So I'm excited with how it turned out, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you around the room and I'm gonna tell you kind of where I got different pieces, the inspiration for some of them, and then as many of those items as I can, I will link them in the description box below for you. So let's get started. So let's start with this bookshelf right here, and we'll start at the top. This mirror is from Target, and it's the Threshold line. It's really cute wood mirror with this little kind of metal accent on the edges of it. And then this lamp is from, I believe it's from Target. I'll find out for sure, but I'm pretty sure the lamp is from Target. And I liked that it was made of glass. It also has that same metal kind of look as the outside of the mirror, so that ties in there. And then this little plant here is a olive plant, and it's a faux olive plant, and it's from Target, from the Hearth and Home line. This print right here is one of my favorite things in here. I love hand-drawn botanicals. And this is a little lavender plant, but this came from Hobby Lobby, and I liked the wood frame on it as well. The way I chose to decorate in here, it's not in your face, this is a nursery, but there's just little nods to childhood and just the fact that this is a nursery. And so this little wooden toy was Andrew's growing up, and I thought that was a nice little sentimental piece, but also just a nod to this is a nursery. And then this piece right here, this bookshelf, came from Target. I love it a lot. It's kind of mid-century modern, and I kind of liked that. It was edgy, but sort of vintage, so I like that a lot. And then this little crate, it's wooden, came from Target, and I was originally gonna put this crate up here, but it was just a little bit too big, so I moved it down here, and it's perfect for all of Oakley's toiletries and the things he needs to get ready for bed at night. So I have his diaper rash cream, his baby lotion, some more lotion. He doesn't take his vitamin D drops anymore, but I guess I can get rid of that. And then this is his Kid Sense Sleepy Eyes essential oil, which I put in the diffuser, and it helps him sleep at night. And then this is his baby roller, and it just has 1 drop of frankincense, 1 drop of lavender, and 1 drop of gentle baby. And I roll that up and down his spine and on the bottoms of his feet. I apply this multiple times throughout the day as I remember it, and if I don't remember it throughout the day, then I'll just do it at nighttime. And then this is his diffuser. I get all of my diffusers from Young Living, and this is the Dewdrop diffuser, and I liked the color of it, and I thought it went really well in here, so I put it in here. And then, so when I go to use it at night, I'll just pull it out, set it up here, plug it in, and diffuse at night for him. And then I have just a little baby hairbrush and his nail clippers. Over in this cubby, I kept it super simple and just added a little wooden toy that came from Hobby Lobby. This basket right here is actually a trash can that I got from TJ Maxx, and I think it fits this space perfectly. These little cubbies, it's kind of hard to tell on camera, but they're not actually perfectly square. They're kind of taller than they are width-wise, taller than they are wide. So this little trash can actually fits in here perfectly. And then I just keep diapers and wipes in here because I change his diapers, and I also change his clothes right here on the floor. So it's perfect. I can just reach over, pull out a diaper, change his diaper, and it's nice and hidden away in that basket. And then in this cubby, I have some books. These are actually Emerson's favorite books when she was a little baby. So I put them in here so that I can start reading them to Oakley. And then over here, I have a baseball glove. I got this baseball glove from my parents' house, and so I'm not sure if it was one of either like me or my brothers growing up, or if it's just something they had, but it's a little kid's glove, so Oakley can use this when he gets a little bit older. And then just a baseball. And I thought that this was a nice little, again, nod to childhood, the fact that this is a little boy's room. So I thought that was really cute. And then this is a Winnie the Pooh book. And this was actually a gift to Emerson from my brother. I have it in the sleeve upside down. But this was from my brother when Emmy was first born, and it's one of the most special things to me. It made me cry when he gave it to us. So I will always cherish this book, and it's Emmy's book, but I thought it was really cute in here. So that's the bookshelf. And then over next to the bookshelf, I just have a little white kind of rope basket with these little kind of fake leather handles, which I thought was really cute. And this came from Target. And then in the basket, I have a glove that was my glove. When I was a kid, I played softball for 1 season, and so that was my glove. And then there's a catcher's glove in there that was my brother's. And then this is actually a wall decoration, and it's from Hobby Lobby. I might move this to Emerson's room, we'll see, but I kind of like just having it there. Kind of looks nice. And then this little garland, bead garland, is also from Hobby Lobby. And again, I might put this in Emerson's room because I'm going with wood, like natural wood and light pink blush color in Emerson's room. So that might end up in Emerson's room, we'll see. But for now, I thought it was really cute here. This is the recliner that I nurse Oakley in at night, and it's actually a rocking recliner, so it reclines and rocks also. And we have an identical one over in Emerson's room. It's really comfy, so we got another one when we had Oakley. And then, oh, and it's from Target, by the way. And then this pillow is also from Target. And then this throw blanket is also from Target, and it's from the Hearth and Home line. It's got a little fringe on the bottom, and it's a black and white little blanket. And then this is a shelf that Andrew made for me, and it's so cute right here above the recliner. So it's actually super simple how he made it. He just got a piece of wood from Lowe's as well as this rope. He had the people at Lowe's cut it for him, and then he drilled the holes himself, one on each side, and then just tied the rope onto it and then hung it with a nail. So super simple. I love it so much. I didn't touch the wood, I just left it natural. And then this plant I set on top is from Target last year from the dollar spot. They don't have it anymore, but it's a little white glass pot. And then I liked how the leaves kind of draped over the side. This little glass, it's just like a decoration cup, is from Hobby Lobby. And then I just put an essential oil on the shelf because I liked the color of it. And this is Copaiba, and we use this for Oakley when he's teething. We just rub it right on his gums and it helps him a lot. Then moving on to the crib area, I think this is super simple, but I really liked how it turned out. So this little bear up here is from Hobby Lobby, and we just hung it on the wall as is. And then these little lamb's ear stems, there's 2 of them, one here and one there. And I've had these for about a year, but I got them from Hobby Lobby, and I just trimmed the ends off the stems and kind of tucked it back behind the bear, and it really added a lot. When I first put the bear up there, it kind of looked plain, but then I added the leaves and it really pops now. So there's his little, above his crib, and then his crib is from IKEA. And I cannot recommend this crib more. It is so good. It's super inexpensive. I think it was only like $79. And I love the look of it. It's that natural wood, very simple. The crib can raise up or be dropped low like it is now. It's just the best crib. I think it's so cute too. We got the crib mattress from Target, and then the crib sheets also came from IKEA, and they come in a 2-pack. And it's kind of like an off-white, very natural color, and I love that, and they're very soft as well. And I think the 2-pack of sheets was only like $10. And then this faux fiddly fig also came from IKEA, and it was only, I think, like $50. I wish it was a little bit fuller, but for the price, it's really cute, and it does what I wanted it to, fill up this corner nicely. So that's from IKEA, and then this little basket that it's in is from Target. And then up in the corner is Oakley's little monitor, and off the top of my head I can't remember the brand, so I will ask Andrew what it is, and then I'll have it linked in the description box below for you guys. But the thing that I like about it is that you can link more than one camera to just one monitor. So we have 2 cameras, one in each of the kids' room, and then I just have one monitor that I carry around the house with me and can see both the kids, which is nice. These curtains, it's kind of hard to see, but they are from IKEA, and they come in a pack of 2 panels. And they're just basic white curtains, and they are long, which I like. And then the curtain rod is just a black curtain rod from Target. And then the last thing I wanted to show you guys is this rug. I love this rug so much. It's again one of my favorite things in this room. And I did it because I didn't love the color of the carpet in here. It's very brown. So this rug actually pops really nicely, or if you have wood, like wood floors, this rug would look really good on wood floors too. but it's a cream and black rug. It has kind of like an Aztec pattern to it. It's kind of hard to see, but I'll have it linked for you guys. It's from Rugs USA. Has little tassels, which I think is a nice touch, and it's really comfy. It's kind of like a medium shag. It vacuums up really well, and it's nice and cozy. So I love this rug so much, and I think it adds perfectly to this room. So now I'll just give you a little pan over of what it looks like from a distance. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it's super cute. So that is it. That is my little boy Oakley's nursery. I'm so excited with how it turned out. It turned out better than I even expected it to. I have never decorated in this style before, so it was definitely stepping outside of my comfort zone, but I enjoyed it. I had fun. It's simple and it's clean, but still cozy at the same time with little touches of little baby. So I'm happy with how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Like I said, I will have everything I can find linked down in the description box below for you guys, so be sure to check all of that out. And make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you haven't done so already. I'm going to be doing my little 3-year-old's room, her toddler room, pretty soon. It's almost done. I just have a few last minute things to add in there, and then I'll be showing you guys all of that. Hers is super cute too, and I'm really excited about that one as well. So make sure you're subscribed with your notifications turned on, that way you don't miss that video. And then you can also follow us on Instagram at Allie_Gooch to keep up with us there. And that's it. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.